Atlanta Pool Masters Vinyl Pool Liner Installation. This pool definitely needed our service. We are Atlanta's best vinyl pool liner installation experts. No matter the shape or size of your pool, we will make your pool look new again. Liner installation includes resurfacing pool bottom. Also new pool wall foam. Once new liner is installed, we turn on the vac, water, and start filling the pool. All of our vinyl liners are custom ordered to fit your pool just right. We have many vinyl pool liner patterns you can choose from. Another job well done by our professional team of vinyl pool liner installers. Atlanta Pool Masters 404-5533495